wanted a cheeky song, didn't you?
Yeah.
I've got a cheeky song for you. Kiss me goodnight. Well, we're cheeky girls. We're going to sing Kiss Me Goodnight, Sergeant Major. There's a cheeky one for you. I put on a Banter crowd on here, so there's some extra sort of drunken sounding laughing people, so don't be alarmed if you hear that on the recording. That's just me having a bit of fun with it. Kiss me goodnight, Sergeant Major. By the joys came one night, full of cheer and very bright. He'd been out all day upon the spree. He had sergeant's mate, his arms around his neck, and in his ear he whispered tenderly, "Kiss me goodnight, Sergeant Major. Tuck me in my little wooden bed. We all love you, Sergeant Major. When you're falling, show a little leg. Don't forget to wake me in the morning. Bring me round a nice hot cup of tea. Kiss me goodnight, Sergeant Major. Sergeant Major, be a mother to me. Once again, kiss me goodnight, Sergeant Major. Tuck me in my little wooden bed. We all love you, Sergeant Major. When you're falling, show a little leg. Don't forget to wake me in the morning. Bring me round a nice hot cup of tea. Kiss me goodnight, Sergeant Major. Sergeant Major, be